Morning greetings from the Mathematics Academy. In this question we see that the equation has real and equal roots. Therefore we know that for the real and equal roots the condition is d is equals to 0. And here we have an equation. Therefore we need to find the value of a, b and c. This is the coefficient of x square. So this is the value of a. This is the coefficient of x, therefore this is the value of b, and this is our constant sum, and it involves the small c also, so we let it to be the c dash. Now as we know that for real and equal roots d is equals to 0, also the formula to find the d, as you see here, and d is equals to b square minus 4 times ac dash. Now on putting the value here, we get the value of b is 2mc. So I'm putting here the value of b with the square minus 4. The value of a is here, that is 1 plus m square, and the value of c dash is here, that is c square minus a square. Now we need to solve and expand here. As we know that the square of 2 is 4, the square of m is m square, and the square of c is c square. Minus 4 times, we need to multiply these two terms. 1 with the c square we get c square, 1 with the a square we get a square. Also m square with c square we get the plus m square c square, and m square with minus a square we get minus m square a square. Now we need to open the bracket here, and open the bracket, we get 4 times c square as 4c square, minus 4 with minus a square is plus 4a square. Also minus 4 with plus m square c square is minus 4 times m square c square, and minus 4 multiply with minus m square a square is plus 4 times m square a square. Now we see that this term for m square c square cancel with this term as both are opposite in sign. Now we left with minus 4c square plus 4a square and plus 4m square a square. Now as we know that the d is our 0, so by putting d is equals to 0 and putting the value of d as we obtained in above part, that is minus 4c square plus 4a square plus 4m square a square is equals to 0. Now shifting this negative term towards the right hand side, we get on the left hand side as 4a square plus 4m square a square is equal to, on shifting here, we get 4c square as positive. Now we see here that in the left hand side we may take the common as 4a square. So after taking the common 4a square in the left hand side, we left with 1 plus m square in the left hand side, that is equals to 4 times c square. As here 4 is in the left as well as 4 in the right, so this may cancel with each other, and the result we left with, that is a square 1 plus m square is equal to c square, or it may be rewrite as c square is equals to 1 plus m square, and that is the result which is we required. Thank you friends.